Side dishes don't usually get much love, but you're really going to enjoy these roasted green beans and you're going to want to add them to your next dinner table. This recipe is so easy. You only need 9 ingredients, which include salt and pepper, which I know everybody's got. So here are your ingredients. Panko breadcrumbs, your green beans, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese. The recipe calls for 1 pound of green beans. The package I bought is a little bit smaller, so I scaled back all the ingredients just a little bit. The first thing I'm going to do is add my oil, my extra virgin olive oil, and coat the green beans. Okay. I'm going to move this to the side. I'm going to bring in my other bowl and add my dry ingredients. So my first one is garlic powder, Italian seasoning, onion powder, I've got my salt, pepper, Panko seasoning, or Panko breadcrumbs rather, and my Parmesan cheese. And we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so we're combining it. I like to do it in a separate bowl, so I make sure it's fully combined before I add it to the green beans. You can certainly just add it all to the bowl with the green beans and the olive oil. And I'm adding the whole mixture. And then just stir to combine. You want to try and get every green bean coated. I always worry that one spot's going to have too much of one ingredient and not enough of others. So that's why I do it this way. And this is it for the recipe. You could barely call it a recipe. It's so easy. Okay, I want to be sure to get all those dry ingredients on the bottom. And I'm going to spread it onto my baking sheet. I'm using a Silpat, but you can use aluminum foil or parchment paper. Okay, so we're just going to spread it out. And then want to make sure, try and get them spread out as much as possible so everything gets roasted. Now those were seasoned Panko breadcrumbs. You can get them unseasoned, but I think it adds a little extra taste. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the oven, which is set at 425, and it's going to cook about 10 to 15 minutes. And let's do 13. And now we wait. Ooh. All right, our roasted green beans. So we're going to let these cool for just a moment, and then we're going to give them a try. Can you hear the sizzle? Roasted green beans. Ready to try some?
Yeah, so okay. Side dish, right?
Yep, side dish.
This was a nanosecond recipe.
Right.
Really fast.
Yum.
Nice presentation.
Always looking, oops, lost one. Always looking for easy side dishes.
Nice snap to them.
Yum. I love the crunchy stuff on top.
Oh, me too.
Those are all the ingredients we added. I mean,
The seasoned panko breadcrumbs. Mm-hmm. Yum.
can't make it much easier than this.
Look at that.
Of course, the recipe will be in the description box, as always. Anything you'd like to add to that?
Good.
Good. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to all the new subscribers. We'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
These would go good with pork tenderloin.
They would go good with pork tenderloin. Yum. Check out that video.